Hello, welcome to the Twinkle Train English Club. Today I would like to share with you a story based on the book Snowball by Hendra and Paul Linnet. This book is good for reviewing the vocabulary for the topics body parts, clothes, and animals. Please enjoy. Miles up, all alone, on a hill, looking down. A little red snowball gazed towards the town. It looked so exciting. He wanted to play. It was time for some fun, and today was the day. He made up his mind to go on a mission. The town would be fun, he had a suspicion. So off Snowball set with a jiggy jig jig. But he didn't catch sight of the pesky brown twig. That old pesky twig caused Snowball to stumble. The poor little fellow had taken a tumble. As he rolled faster, with grace and with vigor, he started to grow, getting bigger and bigger. He was picking up snow, wiggly eyes, long nose, pebble mouth, sticky arms. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And a sheep for a hat. Yeah, rolling, rolling, rolling. Whoops, said the Snowball. But what can I do? Bah, cried the sheep that was stuck on like glue. More snow piled on as he carried on growing. Faster and faster, no sight of him slowing. Down, 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 heading for town. Now bowing and bouncing, he was heading for somebody's washing. So he rolled, 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 and got socks for his hands and some pants and a t-shirt, roll, 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 and somebody's trousers, roll, 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 tumbling and twirling, faster and faster. Oh, goodness, no! What a disaster! Yes, Snowball, I see you are cool. But no, please no, just don't visit the zoo. But he caught kangaroo and a penguin. Roll, roll, roll. Now comes Daddy. Roll, roll, roll. Oh no! Here comes a monkey. Roll, roll, roll. And an elephant. Roll, roll, roll. And a snake. Zigging and zagging, down, 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 bashing and smashing towards the small town. Still gathering snow, he shot past in a flash. Then all of a sudden an almighty crash! Out flew a pebble, some sticks, and a sheep. Out came some socks and somebody's pants in a heap. A bear, a monkey, a snake from the zoo. The snowball has managed to swallow them too. After all the commotion, the scene was Snow White. The end of the story? Well, not yet, not quite. Unlike the beginning, as this story ends, our lonely red Snowball made lots of friends. That's it. Thank you. See you next time. As I've said, this story is based on the book. Yes, some lines I've taken from the book as they are, but some lines I had to change. So, if you want to enjoy the full story about the snowball, please purchase the book. I can send you the link below. Thank you. Bye.